Welcome to my channel. Students, what is meant by life process? Do you know what is meant by life process? In these topics, we will cover nutrition, respiration, transpiration and excretion. So you are looking these figures. Carefully observe the figures. So nutrition. What is meant by nutrients? Organic or inorganic chemical substance required for survival. It is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Types of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. So what is meant by autotrophic nutrition? Auto means self, trophic means feeding. Prepare their own food. There is chemosynthesis also takes place. Preparing food using chemical energy. Example, sulfur oxidizing bacteria. So what is meant by photosynthesis? Preparing food using light energy. Example, plants and algae. So you are seeing this equation. The presence of sunlight, main sources of energy for all organisms. Oxygen is byproduct used for respiration. So another important term is heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means other, different, depend on other for food. Saprophytic nutrition. Absorption of nutrients from dead and decaying matter. Example, fungi. Parasitic nutrition. Absorb nutrients from the host organisms. Example, leech and cuscuta. Hologic nutrition. Food is taken in solid or liquid form from the outside and is digested inside the body. Example, humans and amoeba. So hologic nutrition involves 5 stages, that is ingestion, process of intake of solid or liquid food. Digestion, conversion of complex food particles into simple and absorbable form. Absorption, process of taking up digested food or nutrients by the body. Assimilation, relation of absorbed nutrients for body functions. That is digestion. Removal of undigested food through anus, that is digestion. So nutrition in amoeba. So you are seeing this figure. So amoeba, that is ingestion. With help of pseudopodia, food particle ingestion takes place. Digestion. So you are seeing absorption, food vacuole through assimilation and digestion. So these processes are you are observing in amoeba. Phagocytosis, process of engulfing food, other particles or entire cell, that is phagocytosis. So you are seeing human digestive system. So you are observing the figure. So what happened in this human digestive system? So first stage is digestive tract, another one is digestive glands. So digestive tract, alimentary canal, that is in mouth. So you are seeing mouth, site of ingestion. Pharynx, common passage for food and air. Oesophagus or food pipe. So you are seeing part which connect mouth to stomach. Stomach, chewing of food occur by stomach muscles. Small intestine has 3 parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Digestion is completed and site for absorption. Large intestine has 3 parts, cecum, colon and rectum. Absorption of water and minerals, anus, exit point of feces. So another important term is that is digestive glands. Associated with glands, salivary glands secrete saliva which contains salivary amylase. So you are seeing in this case salivary amylase secrete by this gland. Liver secrete bile juice. Bile helps in emulsification of fat. So gastric glands. So you are seeing in stomach, gastric glands secrete gastric juice which contain hydrochloric acid, that is mucus and pepsinogen. Gallbladder. So you are seeing in this case gallbladder stores and releases bile juice into the duodenum. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice which contains trypsin, lipase and amylase. So intestinal glands secretes intestinal juice. So note, peristalsis is the series of wave-like muscles contractions that helps the food to move through the digestive tract. So ingestion and digestion, two terms are very important, dear students. Food is ingested into the mouth where teeth and tongue break it into smaller parts. Digestion means begins in mouth and helps in small intestine. Enzymes in digestion, so you are seeing mouth carbohydrates, starch to maltose, salivary, amylase, protein, fat. So you are seeing stomach, that is proteins takes place. So in mouth carbohydrate takes place. Stomach proteins, small intestine. So you are seeing carbohydrates, proteins, fats, digestion takes place. Pancreatic secretion are released into the small intestine. Occurs in small intestine, that is macrovillus blood capillaries by lacteal, that is villi. Villi will absorb the digest food. Assimilation. So what is assimilation? Assimilation is utilization of absorbed nutrients for growth and repair, energy production, storage, production of complex molecules. Digestion, removal of undigested food through the anus. So here is the mind map, that is also very important. So you are seeing mind map. So just see the mind map. This is very systematically representation of digestive system. So thank you very much. For more information, subscribe my channel, dear students. Some interesting facts about digestive system. Human stomach cannot digest cellulose containing food such as raw grasses, leaves, because humans lack enzymes. The stomach of an adult can hold 1.5 liter of material. The living of human stomach is replaced every 36 hours. The stomach can break down goat milk faster than cow milk. Our mouth becomes watery when we smell food or something we like the most due to the secretion of salivary glands. Our salivary gland produces about 1.5 liter saliva each day. We sometimes hear the noises in the stomach during digestion of food because of contraction of stomach muscles which move food and gastric juices through the gastrointestinal tract.